Today on the Beam channel, I want to talk about how state works in a GenServer. Take this very simple GenServer here written in Elixir. It is a counter and it, well, increments and decrements. So when you start it with the init function, you return the state of 0. What happens is when a message comes in, it calls handle call or handle cast as appropriate, in this case handle call, and gives it the prior state, in this case 0. Since it's an increment message we got, it's now going to return a new state, which is 0 plus 1 or 1. Obviously, many servers will be a much more complex state than a simple integer, but we're just going to use an integer here to keep things simple. So now the state is 1. Now, mind you, everything is immutable here. So if we call it again, we're going to get now the value 1 and remove 2. If you sort of take a step back from how a GenServer actually works, you might think of a receive loop like this, where each time you call it, you're updating the state. There's no mutability. You're simply saying, okay, we're going to recursively call the function, but each time through, we're going to give it a new value. This is a very nice conceptual model. It's roughly how GenServers work, except for GenServers actually have more complex stuff going because they've got management features and things like that that are beyond the scope of this. But basically, it's a loop. Each time you call either handle call or handle cast, you are going to the GenServer recurses through its main loop and then calls it again with the new value. I hope that was useful to you. I hope that clarified the idea. If you have any further questions, please let me know. You can leave a comment down below. And please like and subscribe. And if you'd like my help getting started with Erlang or Elixir in your company, hit the Calendly link in the notes.